Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome to another live session. In this video of today, I'll be giving you the importance of health insurance. Health insurance or medical insurance covers your medical expenses when you're sick or if you have an accident. In the UAE, health insurance is mandatory. Everyone is required to have a health insurance. The UAE government wants to make sure that if anyone is sick, the person will be able to cover his or her costs without stressing anyone. And also, the person won't find any difficulty in covering the medical expenses. Here in the UAE, before you make your visa, you need to buy your insurance. If you go to a visa agent and the person makes your visa without buying you health insurance, the visa will not come out. So if you buy your visa here, make sure you buy the health insurance as well. But you should also check what type of health insurance are you getting. Is it the insurance that is going to cover everything, or is the insurance where you need to do extra expenditures if you're sick? Here in the UAE, if you're working in a big company, a well-renowned company with good reputation, they're going to give you insurance. With this insurance from the company, whenever you're sick, you can go to the hospital. Maybe you just have to pay consultation fee of 10 dirhams, 20 dirhams. But without insurance, you have to pay a consultation fee of minimum 200 dirhams. So it's advisable to always get your insurance. Healthcare out here is not like back home. Here you must have your insurance. Back home, when you're sick, you can just go to the hospital, you pay your consultation, you don't need any insurance. But here, when you go, they'll ask you, do you have an insurance? If you say yes, they'll ask you the name of the company that issued you the insurance. Under which insurance are you? And when you tell them, they are going to check if the test you are about to do is covered by your insurance. They'll send an email to the insurance company and they'll wait for the approval. Thank you for joining the live video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, share the video and encourage others to join. So health insurance is one thing here that the government of UAE doesn't joke with. For example, people who work at the construction site, there are times that they have lots of accidents there. If you don't have an insurance and you go to the hospital, it will be difficult to attend to you. Your company will need to come there and pay cash. And paying in cash is more expensive than buying an insurance. Here, if you're working in a company that has a good insurance policy, they give the insurance to their employees. The only thing that insurance doesn't cover here in most companies is dental. If you have any dental issue, if you're not like a cabin crew or a pilot, most companies will not cover that. So you need to take care of that yourself. You need to pay for the expenditures. That's why you need to take proper care of your teeth so you don't have any problem. Because dental out here is also very expensive. If you have a good health insurance and you are a lady, when you're pregnant, you go for the antenatal, you can just pay like 5%. In some companies, or in some, you'll pay 10%. And your company is going to shoulder the rest of the expenditures. In some companies, they cover everything for the employees. So you don't need to stress. Everything for you is free. The only thing you need to buy is your medication, which you need to take in order to stay healthy. The UAE government makes insurance compulsory in order to prevent untimely unaliving of people here. Because if you don't have an insurance and you go to the hospital, once they don't attend to you, you can be unalived because of negligence. Not negligence on the part of the healthcare professionals, negligence on your own part, that you do not buy your insurance. That is why consultation is so expensive, so that you'll be encouraged to buy an insurance, so that whenever you're sick, the insurance company will take care of it. Even when you want to buy medication, the insurance company is going to cover most of the costs. So you will just pay like 5% or 10% the cost of your actual medication. Hi there, beautiful people. Thank you for joining the live. Kindly give it a thumbs up, share the video, and encourage others to join. Let's join the conversation. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. I'm going to check that. For those who are joining you, we are talking about health insurance in the UAE, that it is compulsory and it has been made by the government of the UAE. So if you're a resident, you need to have your health insurance before your visa will come out. If you're a tourist and you're coming to visit, you will not be allowed to come into the country if you don't have health insurance. The company making your visa is going to buy health insurance for you for the duration of your stay here, so that if anything happens, the insurance will be able to cover the cost. Even as a tourist, if you're traveling to another country, you need to buy health insurance, because if you go there and have an accident, the insurance will cover all the damages that have occurred. If you go there and something happens that you pass on, the insurance is going to send your body back home to your relatives. So health insurance is very important. If you know anyone who did not buy his or her health insurance and the person is living here in the UAE, kindly encourage the person to buy, because living here without health insurance is stressful and you can easily become sick when you least expect it. But as you don't have the insurance, no, you will not be attended to if you're not paying in cash. And paying cash is more expensive. Doctors and hospitals are going to charge you more for that. Always endeavor you have your insurance. Thank you for watching this live video. Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.